How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Mojo Group. Mike here. Today, I've got a gift for me, but really, you guys can experience it through me. If you see today, the hangar is empty, but there's a reason for that. Stay tuned. You can see how beautiful it is outside, and that's why our whole hanging spot right now is empty. All the planes are flying, and also all the planes in the hangar gone. But today, I want to show you something that you technically don't think about whenever you're fantasizing about flying airplanes or even airplane ownership. You don't think about these things. This what I'm about to show you here is more commercial grade, but also this is perfect for owners, especially if you own or are flying a bigger airplane. Depending on the airplane that you're flying, you're gonna need your tow bars or tugs. So this is for the lighter sport cruiser. This is for a Sling TSI. You have this big guy that can tow mid-sized twin or light twins to even something that weighs, say, up to 8,000 pounds. But guess what? Even with this bars, you need a Hulk like this guy. You can get a tractor like this to pull out big planes. And guess what? You would need another tow bar like this to pull out our Learjet that we put in this hangar. Anyway, I have been cracking my head on how to properly tow these planes without a headache. So instead of having a million equipment over there, we can just have one, which is where this comes in. So ladies and gentlemen, let me properly introduce you to our newest tug. This is the EL3H from Air Tug. And I'll tell you the beautiful story on how we ended up choosing this guy. But before I do that, I've got this, because this is gonna be sweet, man. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. I feel like a kid at the candy store right now because I've been waiting on this thing. As a pilot or aircraft owner, you generally don't think about all the other little things that comes with owning and maintaining and storing your airplane until, of course, you get to the point and then it becomes a problem. First, let me tell you a brief history about how we actually ended up getting this tug. I'm used to using either a manual tow bar or something heavy to pull out our planes or bigger planes. I don't know how long, if you've been following Mojo Group for a while, you know that I used to have a small robot tug, which was excellent, by the way. I love that tug until I got rid of it because I'm like, oh wait, we're not gonna use that. The reason also is that tug was only able to pull up to 5,000 or 6,000 pounds, which is plenty for a lot of small airplanes. But when you're trying to pull something like a Learjet that weighs over 10,000, you're now in the 12,000, 15,000 pounds. A Learjet full gross, if you fill up a Learjet with people and fuel, you're now in that 17,000 pounds range, right? And you need the right tug to be able to pull it. And that's where this comes in. Again, I'm a little bougie, so I prefer more modern equipment, just like the airplanes that we fly here at Lookup Flight Academy. Shameless plug, if you are looking to get your pilot's license, we can train you here. Whether you're just looking to fly leisurely, get your own airplane, or you want to fly commercial and get paid to fly, we can train you right here in one of our modern airplanes. Fly a sport cruiser. We also soon will be flying the bigger Sling TSI at our academy. So make sure you check us out, lookupflightacademy.com. Come in for a demo flight. You can actually book one right online and see what it's all about. Now back to this pup. You're gonna get So Air Tug, how I came about Air Tug, I remember I was having a conversation with a friend of mine. I was actually crying to him because I'm like, hey, I'm having to pay all these bigger operators to help us pull out our big planes. And that's the case, guys, except you have your own equipment, you're gonna have to pay somebody. And each time they charge between 100 to 150, each time they come to pull your planes in and out. I was like, well, I can't find a tug that will do the job for big planes. And we kept looking and looking and looking, and boom, he mentioned Air Tug, guys. Until recently, and I'm so ashamed to say this, I had never really even thought about Air Tug. I've heard about other companies, and this company, man, so far it's been so sweet dealing with them. It's actually one of the oldest, if not the oldest, tug and towing company And they have equipment not just for airplanes, but also for boats. They've been around since 1974. Can you believe that? Since 1974. Nice shop in Cleveland, Ohio, and they ship all around the world. And we got this in a matter of days after it was built. So when you order a tug like this one, build it out for you. And what I love about the process, actually, before I even talk to them about what we're gonna need, I basically let them know, hey, this is the problem that we're having. I gave them a list of all the airplanes that we manage and fly. And that's when we decided, well, this is the one for you. Also, what I wanted was something where I didn't have to deal with oil, fuel, and battery, except of course it's a battery pack, because guys, this EL3, it's fully electric. So this is a plug-in and play. And I'll show you what makes this cat beautiful. First, let me unwrap it. Oh, I need to cut that guy. Man, I wish I can show you or make more unboxing videos. I think the largest equipment I unboxed was some 5 years ago. Of course, when we were building the Mojo Sling, you guys came through to watch all of that. But I'm telling you, this wonderful tug here is not only going to save us a lot of time, but it's going to save us money, and it's going to make our life a lot easier. Which, by the way, while I pull this off, when you're shopping for a tug, which you should be, except of course you keep your plane at a full service hangar or community hangar where they charge you a pretty penny to help move your plane in and out. But if you want to manage your own airplane, guess what? You're gonna need a tug. Just simple, without complicating anything. One of the reasons why I went for this is it's universal. So as long as there's no cover on the wheel, the front wheel, this will just basically take in any front or nose wheel, and you'll be able to push and pull the airplane in and out. Nice standard tires here. Let me see what size this thing is. Got a nice rubber wheel here. Now we're gonna go through the manual. Another thing I wanted to show you that makes pulling and pushing a little tough. So with our hanger here, let me show you from the outside. Beautiful on the outside, right? But guess what? We've got this ramp, and this ramp makes things a little more challenging, which, by the way, if you've dealt with this before, please leave in the comments. I want to know your solution to having a ramp like this in front of a hangar, because look, until you actually experience this, you may not understand the magnitude of what I'm talking about. So what we did was we measured the height and the length of the ramp here to see just how much more weight, in addition, it's adding to our pull and push. Anyway, so because of this ramp, it also makes it more challenging. So we've had even that tractor will halt for a minute before it can pull in and out. And now imagine also hand pulling with one of those in and out. It, it gives you a nice workout. But this guy right here should solve that problem. You've got nice LED right there. Again, it's fully electric, and want to know the main reason why we got it? This can tow up to 16,000 pounds, which is all I needed to hear. Okay, let me show you. What does it say here? Battery maintenance required. We're gonna go through all of that, and here's the nice make and model EL3H. The H, I believe, stands for hydraulics. So beautiful thing is this thing can lift, depending on the aircraft's make and model, you can adjust the height of it to get, I guess, better clearance. So I want to actually get to using this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and read the manual and get our guys. We're gonna learn how to use this thing. What I actually love to do is do some comparisons for y'all. Okay, so by the time we get to using this, I'm gonna compare this so you can see. We're gonna tie this up or hook this up to a nice, either a mid-sized jet or a light jet. We're gonna compare it to the big tractors that we've been using. We have machinery that's even bigger than this cat right here. This is a Kubota 7500. We have others that are bigger than this. This guy gets a good, you can pull a nice Baron with this, but when you go up in weight, it becomes more challenging for this to push and pull a bigger airplane. And what I want to do is compare them, because one of our staff members here, he's like, well, I don't like electric, blah, 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 blah. I want to prove him wrong and show you that this EL3 will get the job done. Anyway, I'm excited, guys. Again, if you're in the market for a tug for your airplane, definitely check out this, guys. It's really Air Tug, just airtug.com. And as for me, I'm gonna update you shortly and show you how this thing's perform. All right, thanks so much for watching. Again, I'm super excited and hope to catch you in the next video. Peace.